So, ang topic natin ngayon is arithmetic sequence. At ito yung finding the nth term. So, makikita natin sa problem natin dito, find the ninth term of this sequence. So, meron tayong 9, 16, 23, and 30, and so on. Tapos, ang gagamitin nating formula is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Ang una natin gagawin, kukuhain natin yung given. A sub 1 natin, ito yung tumutukoy sa first term and ito yung 9. So, a sub 1, lagay lang natin 9. Tapos, hanapin naman natin itong n, ito yung number of terms na hinahanap. So, sa problem natin, yung number of term na hinahanap is 9. So, ang n din natin is 9. Tapos, dito naman tayo sa d or common difference. Para makuha ang ating common difference, ima-minus lang natin yung a sub 1 sa a sub 2. Ayan. So, ang a sub 2 natin is, or second term is 16 minus 9. Ayan. So, 7. Kaya ang ating common difference is 7. Pagkatapos natin makuha yung given, proceed na tayo sa pagsosolve. So, ayan. Proceed na tayo sa ating solution. Solution. Ayan. Lalapat lang natin yung given sa ating formula. A sub n. N natin is 9. Ayan, lagay natin dyan 9 is equals to a sub 1, 9 again, plus n, 9 minus 1, tapos common difference natin is 7. Ayan. Unahin natin nasa loob ng parenthesis, 9 plus 8 times 7. 8 times 7, 56. Ayan. Tapos, 9 plus 56 is equals to 65. So, yung ating a sub 9 or 9th term is 65. Ayan. So, ayan. To check that, aadan lang natin itong mga number na to ng 7. Kasi yun yung common difference natin. So, meron na tayong 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Ang sasolve na lang natin is yung 5th hanggang 9th. So, 30. Simula tayo sa 30 plus 7. 37. Ito yung ating pang 5th. Tapos, 37 plus 7, 44. 6. 44 plus 7 is equals to 51. Ito yung ating pang 7th. Tapos, 51 plus 7 is equals to 58. 8 term. At 58 plus 7 is equals to 65. At yan, tama yung pagsasolve natin. Ito yung 9th term.